Hi, I am Lawrence, Mr. Farrow, and I'm here today going to explain the difference between the present continuous and the present simple. Now, both of these tenses are the present tense, but there is different ways and different times you use them. And I'm going to go through how to use them in this video. So, present continuous, I am eating. Present simple, I eat. I am eating, I eat. What's the difference? So, I am eating. Present continuous means you do it right now. At this point in time, you are doing this action now. I am eating, I am dancing, I am breathing, now it's happening. Present continuous, now, tense. Whereas present simple, this is when you talk about things that happen in general. Things that happen again and again and again. I play the piano. I do this all the time. I play the piano. The earth orbits the sun. Happens again and again and again. So this is how we use the difference. This one happens one time. This one happens all the time. Generally, again and again. How do we make them? Yeah, let's take a look. So here I've written up the conjugation of to eat in the present continuous. I am eating, you are eating, he is eating, she is eating, it is eating. We are eating, they are eating. This one here, can you see a pattern in this conjugation? If you look here, pause the video and see if you can find a pattern, something, a rule that you can remember this by. Welcome back. So, I, you, he, she, it, we, they, in this lesson. So over here, the rule is the participant. So participant can be I, you, he, whatever is doing the verb is the participant. Yeah, I, you, he, she, it, participant. Yeah. Then am is or are. These are all from the same verb, to be. So you put the to be verb, the correct one, yeah? The correct conjugation. I am, you are, he is, she is, it is, we are, they are, yeah? And then at the end you put the verb, eat, in this case, and ing at the end, yeah? Eating, you are eating, she is eating, eat, yeah? So that is how you make it. You have the participant, the red, I, you, he, she, it, we, they. Then you have to be, the verb to be, is, are, or am. And then you have at the end the verb, whatever it is, and ing at the end. Ing. Now, over here, let's take a look at that is the present continuous. This is the present simple. Much easier, yeah? Much easier. Pause now the video and see if you can think of how do you make this tense. Welcome back. So, let's take a look what we've got here. We have I, you, he, she, the participant. Once again, the participant. I, you, he, she, it, we, they. Then we have the verb. With one little difference. We only have one S here. So you can see here that we do use the S after if. After he, she, or it, yeah? So F after he, she, or it. He eats, she eats, it eats, only after he, she, or it in the present simple. Well, I hope that makes things clear for you. Please do leave a comment if you don't understand anything. And yeah, if you have any questions, please do. leave the comment, and yeah, I look forward to hearing from you. Bye.